Hi, my name is Julianne Pinder and I'm the college recruiter here in the College of Human Sciences. We're a melting pot of majors. We have a hodgepodge of programs that we offer students, very diverse, but they all have one thing in common, which is to enhance and improve the human condition. So if any student is wanting to work with people in any capacity, whether it's a person's finances or the way they dress, their childcare, their health needs, there is some major in this college that is geared toward helping people. I would tell the parent to bring their student for a visit. A visit is the #1 way to help your student choose a major and kind of find out exactly what they're wanting and what the College of Human Sciences has to offer. But it also helps us establish line of communication with you and your student. It helps us start a relationship with you so that if you think of any questions when you leave, you know exactly who you're calling or who you're emailing for more information. Do your research. Don't just choose a random major or maybe choose something because you think it's what you're interested in. Get as much information as possible and ask for help. There are no dumb questions. It's my job and any college recruiter's job to help you find your path, to kind of find where your degree of fit is, where the best place is for you, so definitely ask for help.